Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming hardware. A TV or monitor that supports 120Hz and an ultra-high-speed HDMI cable. Once done, plug the Series X into the TV's HDMI 2. One port and switch that input to game mode to lower latency. Make sure motion smoothing or interpolation is off on the TV. Those features break native frame delivery. Finally, power on the console and get ready to change Xbox display options so the system outputs a 120 refresh rate. You navigate to Settings, General, TV, and Display options and pick the supported resolution that your screen handles best, 1080p, 1440p, or 4K, then set the refresh rate to 120Hz. Make sure to enable variable refresh rate if your display supports it, because it stabilizes variable frame rates. Also turn on Auto Low Latency mode and disable unnecessary upscaling. Once you finish, check the Xbox's display details to confirm it reports 120Hz, and then adjust individual game performance options. You open the game settings and choose Performance or 120 FPS mode, because many titles default to quality or locked 30/60 FPS. Once selected, run a game labeled 120 FPS or with FPS boost to verify smooth motion. If you don't see 120 FPS, make sure the TV input is set to the correct HDMI port. Check the ultra-high-speed cable. Confirm Xbox output resolution matches the display and restart the console. If problems persist, toggle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.